So it's been dripping pretty consistently about every 4 seconds here for a couple, well, it just got progressively worse. And the last couple days it's been about every 4 seconds. So this is what I'm going to do. So I got one of these Delta pulley spray kitchen sinks that always gets loose. But it has a leak, and so I'm trying to fix it myself here. And hopefully this will help you too. The first thing I did was turn off the water below. It should be below the sink. There should just be 2 silver handles, and then once that's off, you pull up your handle and you have a little Allen key. You need one of these or an Allen wrench, or like this little kit that I got. I'll show you the kit number I got. It could be an epic fail and none of this is good, but that's a kit I got, and it came with one of these that actually fits in there. I have no idea if it's the right one. Once you loosen it, that comes up, and then you need something that doesn't have teeth on it if you can to go around this, because you don't want to mar it up. And then that comes off. This little ball. Take a little screwdriver, loosen it up. Take that off. Take out the ball. Inside there, we got a couple grommets with a couple springs. I think the way to get these out is just take I got new springs and rubber deals, so I'm just going to stick a screwdriver there, pull that out. That's one. Spring. Oop. Well, it's hard to do one-handed, so I'm going to take out these grommets and these springs, noticing that the bottom of the spring is the bigger part. You can tell there that the top of the spring was the thinner part and the bottom was the thicker. We're going to remember that, and I'll be right back. I just wanted to show again as we're taking this out, and if you're doing this yourself you'll see it, but the thinner part is at the top and the thicker, it just tapers just a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be important. So get a little bucket or keep all the stuff in the same place that you got. Take your own advice, Eric. Alright, now that we got those out, we're going to take the new ones. We're going to put the fat in the bottom first. Like that. Put the little rubber grommet over it. Like that. Get it seated in there. Grab the other one, same thing. I'm gonna go get my little golf scraper tool and clean out all that real fast. All right. Alright, now that we got those little guys back in, we're going to line up this little slot with this little, make sure you get it good. See that little thing right there? That has to go in that side slot, like that. And we want this part going forward because that's what's going to catch our Allen. Then we take our brand new fancy thing, grommet thingy, put on top. That also has a little notch in the side. super close-ups. The house is never clean enough. Okay, and then we're going to put this back on top, tighten it up, and then I'm going to turn on the water. We're going to see if we got a leak. All right, I think I got it all set up now. Got the water turned on down below, got the handle back on. Turn on the water. Turn it off. Oh, we got a drip. I think that's it. Like I said, it was dripping every few seconds before. It's not even wet now. Fixed. I'll try to find this part somewhere on Amazon or something. Why aren't you focusing? Part somewhere on Amazon or something like that, so I can put a link down below. Hopefully that helps you. Still not dripping. Have a great day. Last thing I'll go over is what could have been the problem. One of the problems is, you see the dents on this? This is the old one that I used. They're very smooth and deep, where a new one is like that. The other part I replaced were these old springs and grommets, which they don't feel bad, but it's at least 10 years old, so maybe the spring kind of went out, or maybe there's a crack in one of these grommets somewhere. Who knows? But one of those two things was the culprit. Those are the new ones. The old ones, kind of show them side by side there. You see the difference in the wear. So, just a heads up.